Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we are going to begin with a walk around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to point you through some of the major talking points and features of both interior and exterior, and of course I'll also make my way around to the interior, where once we're there we'll go through a little bit of the interior in a bit more depth. The vehicle itself is the 435D M Sport Gran Coupe. It's presented in the Alpine white, and of course we've also fitted a YNC Mperformance body styling kit to this car. So if you are a regular to our YouTube channel, first of all, we'd like to say thank you to that. And another thing, you may recognise this car as we did sell this vehicle previously some time ago. However, the customers have now come back and part exchanged it back against one of our other stunning examples. And it has been kept very nicely, as you'll see as we go around the car. The vehicle is presented in the Alpine white, as I've mentioned. Also has the stunning 405M 20-inch alloy wheels, which again have been kept very nicely. At the front of the car, you will see it is on a private registration, which again will be kept with the vehicle. You'll see the Angel Eye and xenon headlamps. Over the top of the car, it's also equipped with a very nice, very sought after optional extra in the form of the glass sunroof, which I've currently got slid all the way back. And again, we'll take a closer look at that very shortly. It also comes equipped with the M Sport Plus pack, so you'll see the much larger M Sport Plus brakes as we go around the car, along with the gloss back air breathers, satin side vinyls, matching sidebars, and of course the YNC Mperformance decals. Moving on for the first glance at the interior, which for this car we've got that black Dakota leather, which comes with both heated, electric movement and memory for driver's side, and of course having that sunroof really allows a lot more light into that cabin. Harman Kardon again as part of the Plus pack. Moving around towards the rear of the car, we'll show you the rear seat arrangement, which is of course a 3-seat arrangement with the central folding armrest and the darkened M Sport headlining, again being illuminated by having that sunroof. Again, all of the interior has been kept very nicely. Making our way around towards the rear of the car, and we've got the high gloss rear boot spoiler and satin diffuser on this vehicle. And of course, being the 435D, it is equipped with that superb BMW xDrive 4-wheel drive system. An extremely large boot space, which is not compromised, even though it does of course have that 4-wheel drive system. And you also have split folding seats to further aid that already very large space. Moving around towards the other side, again you'll be able to see how well the Alpine white does work, alongside how well the car's been kept and is still in very nice condition. Making our way on to take a seat inside the car, again showing you off the 405M style alloy wheels. We'll take you over the top so you can get an overview of this interior, which again, perks of having that sunroof. We'll go ahead and take a seat inside, where of course we're greeted not only by a lot more light, but first of all by the professional wide navigation and media screen. Currently on display is the DAB function. However, we've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs, which we'll just take a quick look at, covering you from everything right the way through. External devices covers you for the Bluetooth input, your AUX inputs, and of course your USB inputs as well, as you can see there on screen now. Your navigation as well, and as well as Bluetooth audio, we have of course got Bluetooth telephone as well. Heading back to the main menu, not before showing you off this very nice multi-function M Sport steering wheel, where you'll find the paddles for the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. In terms of mileage, it has now covered just over 57,000 miles. And if we go down to the vehicle information screen, we can check when the next service is due, and of course the service history for the vehicle. So it's not due a service for 16,000 miles and does have a BMW service history, again as you'll be able to see on screen now. And we'll just quickly pop the glass sunroof back into the tilt whilst I show you off the dual climate control, which of course also where you'll find these switches for the heated seats. So now that's in tilt, still letting a lot of light through. However, of course, should it be a little bit too bright for you, we of course also have the option for the sunshade. Moving back outside the car, I do hope you've enjoyed the walk around video, and of course if you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, and as always I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Most of all though guys, I do hope you've enjoyed it, and hopefully it'll help you make an informed decision upon purchasing your next car, and we do hope to see yourselves very soon. Links for the car can be found down below on our website, as well as contact details direct for us here at Your Next Car. Thanks guys, see you soon, take care, goodbye.